Hey nature lovers, did you know that bees are basically the unsung heroes of our planet? Let's dive into 25 fascinating facts about bees that will blow your mind and maybe even make you appreciate these little buzzers a whole lot more. Fact number 1. Bees dance to talk. When a bee finds a juicy patch of nectar or pollen, it performs a waggle dance, literally shaking its bee booty, to tell the others exactly where to go, using the sun and distance as a kind of bee GPS. Bees have 5 eyes, 5. 3 little ones on top of their head for light and 2 giant compound eyes on the sides to spot everything around them. But bees aren't just about honey, they're critical pollinators. Without bees, our ecosystems and food would completely fall apart. And get this, the queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day during peak season. That's some serious multitasking. Bees also see colours way differently than we do. Red is invisible to them, but ultraviolet is like neon lights, helping them find special flower patterns humans can't even see. They have fantastic memories too. Bees remember which flowers they've visited and use landmarks to find their way home over long distances. But life isn't easy for worker bees. In summer, they live just 5 or 6 weeks, working themselves to death. Inside their hives, bees are climate control pros. They keep things steady at 35 degrees Celsius, shivering to heat up or fanning their wings and bringing water to cool things down. And you know that honey in your pantry? If it's real, it basically never spoils. Thanks antibacterial properties. Only one queen rules the hive. Her pheromones make sure no new queens challenge her as long as she's healthy. Bees can even recognize human faces. How wild is that? Some bees act as guards, keeping their homes safe from intruders. A single hive can make 20 to 30 kilos of honey per season, depending on species and flowers. And their work isn't just sweet. Bee pollination is worth billions of dollars to our global food supply. Beeswax? That comes from glands on a bee's belly. They chew it up to build those perfect honeycomb cells. Male bees or drones don't have stingers. Their main gig is to mate with the queen, and then, well, they die. Bee stings are a sacrifice. If a bee stings a human, it dies because the stinger gets stuck. Bees love bright colours, especially blue, purple and white flowers. And they can fly up to 24 kilometres, or about 15 miles per hour. Their honeycomb cells are hexagonal for a reason. It's the smartest way to use the least wax to cover the most space. A boom time hive, it can hold 50,000 bees or more. Bees have a crazy strong sense of smell, able to pick out plant types and their health from a whiff. Bees don't sleep like us. Instead, they enter a chill-out state, slowing everything down to rest. Natural honey isn't just tasty, it's antibacterial and loaded with enzymes, used for healing wounds for centuries. And bees? They've been around for about 100 million years, even before most flowers existed. So next time you spot a bee, remember, you're looking at one of nature's most amazing little creatures. Thanks for buzzing by.